Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya uan Umentri rang ba kejela konrat ke sangma kasni thok ding ulo ong ba kejela kala kenjo ye kejingya chaprang kaba kongsan hadin bakala pelong ye ke Indian Sailing League ha Umiam kabade kesin kaba nyngkong ha bakran chikilat pathai khubor ha Umiam Sport Complex Ribhoi District Umentri rang ba ulo ong ba ka Meghalaya kadon kabor kaba kraw hendai ompat la ban penan kampura ye ka ha keleng kejingile kai ha kamtam ha Umiam League kabla tip kum kejaka jungok kai kaba paunam Ula banjur baka sorkar minta katray ban pinkalay kani kajaka om tangkum kajaka jungok kai ndray kum kajaka ban pelong yi kajingele kai berki kam adventure haba jubab yi kajingkali halor kum no ka sorkar kan kyntiew yi kajingele kai sailing wala dang duna kinong hi shimbenta na kajilla usang ma ula kadawi ka jinghe jungane ka lik ula pentep bahadu shispa prapu angut kinong nya ling sailors na kumba khat santli kiri kilawan hi shimbenta kabala pelong ya kane kum ka weina ki jingle kai bahe tam ha kane ka benta ula pen pauru ya ka jing snokmen bat ai jingero ya baru ke blatre shitam ban pen urlong ya kane ula ongru bakini ki sinjam ken plela di ki samla ka jela ke barang duna ka jingtim shaphang kane ka jingle kai mensha Da kejingwan jong kejingile kai kedan international kumkane ki samla kinla ban shimbenta bat pe eka sailing bat ki wei pat ki kam jingile kai ha kumkalat kamai keji Umentri rangba ula pentip ru ba kumba sangut kinong nya aling na Meghalaya kenthom ya ka wei ka klop na kajilla kle shimbenta kani kali bat ula khot ikani kum kejingya ke basdang red ula pen pau ke jingkermen bah ki snem banwan da ke jingyo lat ba jingrap ka babiang bon shu ki samla kinyo rung shakani ke jingile kai bat mikmat ya kajilla ha ki kedan ri bar ka perthei Halor ke jingyat bet jong ke jingyalang usang mau lo ong ba minta ke tena tourism ke jilla kapet ya ke jingyat bet jong ke event Andrei hakisngi banwan ka sorkar kan bishar mnia banwan ye kilat ki bakhambyang ban ne slam ban pelong ya ka kum kini ki jingele kai kan thup ka jingye shimbenta jo ki jingelap jingele kai bat ki school puli ka jingye pelong ye ki Indian Sailing League ka long ka sinjam ka bakongsan ban pen ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jaka ka badang kiu ha ka perthei ha ka liang ki jingele kai ha bat competitive sailing
Once you are ready, wind is going too much. Just leave it, sir. Okay? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And the first idiom.
Good.
Can you talk to them?
and we have not been able to unlock that potential for many years. So now it's just not a tourist destination, but it is also a location where activities take place. We have had many regattas in the past, and now we've taken it to the next level, where we have almost 182 sailors coming from different the world. About 14 countries plus are participating, and this is one of the largest leagues of its kind. Very happy with the response, and I must congratulate the entire team that has made this a possibility. This also opens up a huge opportunity for our own youngsters who would be able to pick this up as, and those who wanted it, they didn't have a platform earlier, now they will have it. So we really do expect that in the years to come, our own youths will also participate and will get into sailing and other water activities, so that we can produce world-class sports persons at the state, national, as well as at the international level. Thank you so much. About 5 sailors from our state who are participating in this. There is one club from Meghalaya which is participating. So it is a humble beginning, but I'm sure that in the years to come, more will participate. Simply because there was not a platform and no activities and no support in the past. Now that this has come up, I'm very sure that we'll have many sailors coming up from our own state also, who will join this sport and participate in these tournaments.
Just that you will fall under tourism and on the sport department.
It doesn't make a difference. At the end of the day, the activity has to be organized. In this particular case, it was a tourism department that handled it. In the days to come, we will see what is more practical and more feasible to do. And accordingly, we will make the arrangements. But as of now, the tourism department is handling it. But sports also obviously will play an important role in this. Thank
Do you
you.
want to develop more on in school colleges next time?